Everyone's saying AI killed SEO. That's not true. Bad SEO is dead. Right now, thousands of businesses are using AI to pump out content. Same prompts, same blogs, same results. Still nothing. No rankings, no traffic, no leads. Because Google isn't rewarding content anymore. It's rewarding strategy. Real SEO today isn't about just using AI. It's about using AI the right way. Data-driven keywords, search intent, authority building. That's where the SEO guy come in. At the SEO Guy, we combine AI with proven SEO strategy to turn your website into a lead-generating machine. So if your traffic is stuck, or your competitors are outranking you, it's time to evolve. Don't just use AI. Use it smarter. Visit theSEOGuy.in and let's get your ranking.